Hi everyone. In this example, I want to show you how to append arrays using FILTERXML and LAMBDA. As you can see, I've already created the LAMBDA formula here. And the important part that we're using here is the FILTERXML. I do have a few separate videos explaining this as well. So the example that we have is very simple. What we have here is 3 columns with values in it. So we have 100, 50, 30, 100, 200, 400, and 45, 55, 65. The objective is to be able to append it one below the other. That means that we have 100, 50, 30, 100, 200, 400, 45, 55, 65. How does it work? I simply say append arrays. And if I select my range number 1, range number 2, and then range number 3, we are able to append it. Now, what if I append arrays in a different way? So what if I say B2 colon D2 and then B3 colon D3? As you can see, that works as well. Now, how does this work? Let me go to the advanced formula environment. And you can see here, okay, it doesn't seem to show me the formula. So let me just copy it one more time and then come back and put it here. And let's go full screen. Okay. Now, what we are doing here is that we are essentially giving up to 10 arguments to the user. That means they can enter a maximum of 10 arrays. So 10 ranges. There is no limit on the number of values in that range. And then I'm using a FILTERXML, which has been covered in a different video. The FILTERXML essentially is going to combine all the ranges. And the reason range 3 and going forward, all the other ranges are in a bracket is because these are optional arguments. So range 1 and range 2 are mandatory because at least 2 ranges you would want to append, but then all the others are optional. In this case, I've only kept up to 10. But then, of course, you can add more to it. Even though I think in most of your requirements, 10 should be more than enough. The file is available on GitHub. So feel free to download it and play around with it and modify it if you want to.